Introducing the AI-driven scheduler and dispatcher the industry has been waiting for, where artificial intelligence finally meets real-world shop workflow. Reading technician strengths, identifying the ideal match, assigning with absolute precision. Every move, recalculated. Every change, optimized. Live technician timers, real-time accuracy, instant accountability built into every workflow. A full bird's-eye view of your shop, constantly analyzing load, capacity, and technician flow. As jobs are completed, OptiBay learns, refining technician performance models with every action. This is the OptiBay way. End the chaos.